Taking down Halloween. Hi everybody, it's Sharon and welcome to my channel. I'd like to welcome any new subscribers and give a big YouTube hello to my regulars, and I'm so happy you stopped to visit with me at this time. And this is a collaboration, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which I really do love to do. So our fearless leader, Sunday Dawn, needs to take some time for her family. So she will not be doing Tiny Tidy Tuesday for a while. So we will not have a playlist, which is fine. We'll have one this week, but next week there won't be a playlist. So Sunday Dawn can have a break. Anyhow, we're all supportive of whatever she decides to do. I will continue with the Tiny Tidy Tuesdays because I find them very helpful in my life to get things done that I just need to get done that only take a few minutes at a time. So, today I'm taking down my Halloween decorations and I'm going to do a few more things for Tiny Tidy Tuesday.
But don't eat too much. You may get sick.
Here I'm trying to turn the witch off and I can't figure it out. So I just had to listen to her laugh and talk. Oh well, always fun for Halloween. That stick was stuck in that pumpkin and I was having a heck of a time getting it out. And I think I just ended up leaving it and undoing some more Halloween decorations. Well, I had this stuff really tied on there well. No wonder it didn't blow away in the wind. And it's going to take me a minute to get it down. But it's good to know that the way I did it worked really well and everything stayed right where it should be, even through all the snow and the wind that we had in the last little while. And then it turned sunny again. We're so lucky. In Lethbridge we get a lot of sun. This day was a little bit cool. I have my winter jacket on. But I managed to get everything taken down. Well, I took the big stuff back out of the bin because I realized I needed to put the small stuff underneath. And then I can just put the bigger articles up. Downstairs, I hang them up in my laundry room, and that's where they stay for the winter. Well, we got all the Halloween decorations down except for the pumpkin lights, and I noticed that a little later, and I'll take them down. Right now I'm just stuffing garbage in my pockets because that's my garbage can. Well, when I'm outside, I guess. Oh, and now I'm back at fighting with this pumpkin again. And I get it this time. And I get that stick out. So I can just put it on the ground. I'll probably use some of it in my fairy gardens. But I was happy to get that all done. Every time I touch the bin and wiggle it or anything, that witch just decides to have another conversation with me. Kind of funny. Well, now I am going to cut the ties that we have tied the board on. and we tied them really tight, so it's kind of hard to get my scissors in there to break them. Decorated, and we'll get some Christmas decorations up soon. Okay, we're starting to paint the railing today. It's going to look so nice not to have orange railing on our deck. This is what it looked like before. And now it's going to look like that, black, which will be very nice because it has the metal pickets. So that's what I'm doing today. See how much I can get done. Well, we're getting there. Still got lots to paint, but just thought I'd show you the difference it makes painted black. Still need to paint the railing going down the stairs, but I think the rest of it looks so much better, and that needs to be painted too. So it went from that kind of an orange color to the black, and I think it looks really good. So I'm very pleased. So for today, just going to finish up this little part and call it a day, and we'll get back to it again soon. Okay, the railing is all painted, and it looks really good. And my Christmas decor will look very pretty on it. And I think the railing looks much better black than the orange with our new siding. Okay, here it is. Well, Halloween is over and we're getting ready for winter and we're going to be setting up for Christmas soon. So I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget, it's a collaboration, so there should be people in my comment boxes. The list will be in my comments as usual. And Sunday Dawn, we're going to miss you as our fearless leader, but take the time you need. Family is important, and so is your health. Love to you and to all the other tiny tidiers till we're back again as a group. Okay, thanks again for watching, and bye. My next video will be Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!